It's gonna be a great night. Let's let her go. Here comes Mike Burton, ladies and gentlemen, to start the 2024 season, Backwoods Evolution. Looks like we got a good sled sighting, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. Good run. On deck will be Lee Burton, the Tree Huggers, Nightmare. In the hole, Roy Patterson, Necessary Evil. Back to the 8th row starting line. Stephen McCullough, 97 Dodge Ram, a pocket winner. Oh, he made an attempt to get out of it before the Ohio Camp 100-foot mark. We'll pull him back. He'll get one more attempt. Thank you to Keel Marketing. One more time. Come on. Here comes the bucket lift. And there goes the green flag. Competition director Tom Jackson puts the green flag up, ready for the 93 Dodge Ram, Lee Burton. He's about 27 years old, Mount Vernon, Ohio. The Tree Huggers Nightmare, get out of the way! Gentlemen, check it out, a 1945 Dodge Power Wagon. Check it out, what an awesome looking truck. He has that baby 45 Dodge Power Wagon, better known as Necessary Evil. Out of the gates for the Dodge Power Wagon. Tough race tonight. Great group of people to work for here. So they did a great job getting this place ready after heavy rain. 8 white on Wednesday. Being a dairy farmer, it's a great name for his pulling truck. It's called Utter Chaos. Tristan Locke backing up to the truck box. Here comes Tristan Locke, the 01 Dodge Ram, to Shockton, Ohio. Come on, Utter Chaos. the class. 6 more to go. Up next, at the 8th row starting line. And there goes the green flag. Here comes the Dodge Ram called running out of the room, ladies and gentlemen. Down beside the red building. Back to the starting line, sponsored by 8th Row. Here comes Travis Regular, 1990 Dodge Ram. In the red, come on! Greg Young, Carrollton, Ohio, 97 Dodge Ram, the Patriot. Brothers. So here we go. Corey Frank, been driving this truck for a couple of years. A 2006 Chevy. Come on. It's called Causing Trouble. Still in the lead, Backwoods Evolution. Mike Burke in the lead at the Kale Marketing leader flag at 300.852. But right now, here comes Jacob Whitman all the way from Tiffin, Ohio, 98 Dodge Ram, under pressure. guy is tough. Can he be the last truck tonight and win it? He has to beat 300.852. Backwoods Evolution in the lead. And the green flag is out. Here comes the 97 Dodge Ram, Roger Strierling, our defending champion, Razor's Edge. Looks like we got a good... Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to start the Riverside Engine from Tom Tractors. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, these tractors weighing up to 10,000 pounds. They run a 20-inch hitch height. They're allowed component chassis. Both diesel out and gasoline are allowed in this class. We are ready to go at the 8 Pro starting line. Riverside Engine, Pro Stock, Jeremy Smith, John Deere 7520. Up the road from Louisville, Ohio, Bulls Gold! Out of Wakeman, Ohio, on a John Deere 6030. And this tractor is called 310 Express. On ready to go at the 8 Pro starting line. Dean Ordner running a Shipley Pro Stock engine under the hood. Wakeman, Ohio, John Deere 6030. The 310 Express. defending Pro Stock champion, the challenger out of Medina, Ohio, Martin Sebastian. Ohio Cat, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being the 100-foot mark sponsor at all OSTPA pools. And we're ready to go at the 8th row starting line. Needs to be 270. Final tractor in the class. Steve Horner, John Deere 5020. Old school. Come on, hammer down. This is one awesome truck, 1984. out of Shreve, Ohio. Pro stock semis in the country. He needs a good run tonight. Hillbilly Deluxe in the lead at 3:03. Here comes Chris Wood, ladies and gentlemen. Let's laugh back. One of the toughest names in pro stock Poland. '78 Peterbilt, we're ready to rock the boat. Get out of the way. It's called Sneaky Pete's, a Caterpillar 3406 engine under the hood. Always check under the hood. Make sure there's no flames under there. Kenny, check that out. Truck from Gene Dunn, Get Her Done Motorsports out of Carrollton, Ohio. Doing the driving will be Seb Casper. Did all the driving last year. He won Rookie of the Year on the OSTPA circuit a couple years ago.